Guys, this one button in Tap Ants changes everything. Tap Ants drop a game-changing retirement system. And if you've been playing for a long time, this is your golden ticket. We all know the grind, hours of tapping to level up your characters. Fun, but sometimes your thumbs needs a break too, right? Now, what if I told you there's a way to level up without the grind and still get rewarded like crazy? So here's how it works. When you retire a character, you get a coin bonus. And instead of wasting it, you can use that bonus to buy XP. That means you can level up faster, skip the endless tapping, and still unlock bigger rewards. It's like getting a parting gift from every characters you retire, and that helps you to get to the next stage even quicker. But here's what it gets really exciting. The retirement system is also your ticket to future airdrops, not just tapping. Think new challenges, creative mood changes, and even collaborations across the Web3 space. The game's evolving just like the market. So guys, did you retire your Tap Ants character yet or just grinding? Comment down below.